Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tayo. If you're new here, thank you so much for coming to my channel. If you like what you see, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the bell so that you'll be notified when I upload my videos. I upload videos every week, 1 or 2 videos a week about beauty, lifestyle, fashion, and if this is something you like, then you'll definitely find something interesting to watch on my channel. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you leave a comment, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up as well. And so today I'm going to be talking about my Dior lipstick case, which can also double as a clutch. I got this for my birthday last week, and I'm actually going to compare it to my actual clutch. It's one of my clutches. I'm going to see how many things can go into this case compared to this one. It actually looks like a clutch, except that it's slightly wider than a normal clutch would look like. But if no one tells you, you'll probably think it's a clutch. And yeah, quite a lot of people on YouTube have been using this as a clutch. So I got this for my birthday, and I'm going to open it and show you what is in it, and I'm going to see if I can put them in my golden clutch. So I'm going to open it and show you what is in it at the moment. It's full at the moment, so I'm going to open it carefully. Try and cover the glass so that it doesn't reflect. So at the moment I've got my powder from MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in dark deep. I've got my gloss, Fenty gloss, it's almost finished. I've got my phone, and I've got one of the lipsticks from the collection. I'm going to insert some clips of the video where I opened it so that you can see everything that was in it. And then I've got a little brush. So those would be the things I would need to put in my clutch if I was going for a wedding or was going for a party. And sometimes these clutches are very, very narrow. So sometimes these clutches have limited space. When you put a lot of things in, you can't really close it. So I'm going to see if I can fit in all these things into this clutch and still be able to close it. So I've got the powder, the lip gloss, the lipstick, my phone, and the little brush. As you can see, I can't close it. I can't close it with all these things in it unless I take out the powder. If I take out the powder, then I can close it, but I'm going to have to force it closed. So one reason why I like this clutch is because it can take a lot of things, though it's not an actual clutch, but unless I tell you, you won't know. And quite a lot of ladies have been doing things with it. Some have been attaching chains to make it into a proper little bag, but I think I just like it the way it is. And I think it's quite a good deal to get that, you know, with the lipsticks. So yeah, so it's just a quick video, guys, just to show you what goes into the clutch. And in case you're thinking about getting it, the lipsticks, many of them are similar, the colors are similar, and so I'll probably give out quite a few of them. And yeah, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, guys.